Hello, Akash Singh 177. I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm here to help you build up a personalized diet and weekly gym workout plan that fits your lifestyle. I'll need to gather some details from you to create something that's truly effective. Are you ready to get started? Great. Let's continue gathering the information we need. Could you please tell me your age? Thanks. Could you share your height next? Got it. Do you have any existing injuries or health conditions we should consider? Perfect. What's your primary fitness goal? Body, weight loss, muscle gain, etc. Great choice. How many days per week are you available for exercise? Good to know. What's your current fitness level? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Thanks for that. Lastly, do you have any dietary restrictions or food allergies that we should consider? Thanks for sharing that info. I'm working on your personalized fitness and nutrition plan now. Just refresh the page in a few seconds to view your complete program. Hope it helps you reach your goals. Have a great day.